What if history took a different turn? What if Emperor Ashoka, the ruler of one of the largest empires in Indian history, had never converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War? Today, we'll dive into this fascinating alternate timeline and explore how it might have changed India and the world. In 260 BCE, the Kalinga War was a turning point for Ashoka. The sheer scale of death and destruction reportedly led him to renounce violence and embrace Buddhism. But imagine if he hadn't. Would the Mauryan Empire have grown stronger or crumbled under its own weight? In this alternate timeline, Ashoka might have continued his military campaigns, aiming to expand his empire further. His focus would likely remain on warfare, suppressing dissent, and enforcing order through might. The spread of Buddhism across India and beyond may never have happened, leaving the subcontinent under the influence of older Vedic traditions. Without Ashoka's promotion of Buddhist values, the social fabric of ancient India might have remained more rigid. The principles of non-violence, compassion, and equality that Buddhism championed might not have influenced Indian society as deeply. And what about the world? Ashoka sent Buddhist emissaries as far as Sri Lanka, Central Asia, and the Mediterranean. Without his efforts, Buddhism might not have taken root in countries like China, Japan, and Thailand. The cultural and philosophical exchanges we see today could have been vastly different. However, Ashoka's conversion wasn't just about religion, it was a political strategy. By embracing non-violence and welfare, he unified his empire and gained the loyalty of his people. Without these reforms, internal rebellions might have destabilized the Mauryan dynasty, leading to its earlier collapse. So, what do you think? Would Ashoka's empire have grown stronger without his conversion, or would history have taken an even darker turn? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing what-if scenarios.